Good afternoon, teacher, parents, and my fellow classmates. My name is Ling, and today I'm going to present on Angkor Wat Temple. Before I start, I would like to ask you all one question. Have you ever been to Siem Reap before? If you do, please raise up your hand. Thank you. I have divided my presentation into three parts. The first part is location of Angkor Wat, second is beauty of Angkor Wat, and the third part is fantastic of Angkor Wat. The first part, I would like to tell you about location of Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat located in Siem Reap province, Cambodia, distance 315 km from Phnom Penh to Siem Reap. It has border with Udon Min Chai, Previhill, Kampong Thom, Bat Bong, and Bang Tien Min Chai. The second part, I would like to talking about beauty of Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat, meaning city of temple, is a massive temple complex in Cambodia as a largest religious monument in the world. Angkor Wat represents of Cambodia. Angkor Wat Temple is a wonder of Cambodia. The third part, I would like to talking about fantastic of Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat was built by rock, not diamond. Around Angkor Wat, there are big trees, palm tree, forests, and beautiful green grass. And has very clean ponds surrounding Angkor Wat. On the wall of temple, there are so many sculptures such as statue and apsara. In conclusion, I always imagine about Angkor Wat Temple, and I always dream to visit Angkor Wat with my family. Angkor Wat Temple is must visit place of Cambodia. Thank you for your attention.